One little ghost says boo boo boo, flying by just for you. Two black cats with eyes so bright, purring soft on Halloween night. Three small bats fought side by side, zooming high in the starry sky. Four orange pumpkins on the ground, smiling big and round and round. Five little witches with hats so tall, flying fast, one and all. Six tiny spiders in a row, spinning webs with a glowy glow. Seven stars up in the sky, sparkling bright as ghosts pass by. Eight dancing bones clink and play, skeletons driving the night away. Nine tiny owls say woo woo woo, perched on branches watching you. 10 little candles flicker and glow, lighting the way where goblins go.